How to fix iPhone microphone not working. Let's get started. First of all, check for obstructions. Ensure there is no dirt, lint, or debris covering the microphones. Use a soft brush or compressor to gently clean the microphone areas. Next up, remove accessories. Disconnect any headphones, earpods, or other audio devices. Remove any cases or screen protectors that might block the microphone. Next, give a fresh restart to your iPhone. Restarting can fix temporary glitches. Next, check app permission. For that, launch settings. Head over to the app in which you are getting this issue. Make sure you have given microphone access to the app. Likewise, update your iOS. For that, head back, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If you find any existing updates over here, just click on it and update your software to its latest version. Then, disable noise cancellation. For that, head back to the main page of settings, go to Accessibility. Now, navigate to the option Audio and Visual. Toggle off for the option Phone Noise Cancellation. Likewise, reset all settings. For that, head back, navigate to the option General, click on Reset, click on Reset again, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. Likewise, uninstall third-party apps that might conflict with the microphone. Test the microphone functionality after doing so. If the issue remains unsolved, it might be a hardware problem. Visit an Apple Store or authorized service provider for a diagnosis and repair. By following these steps, you can identify and fix most issues related to iPhone microphone malfunction during calls or other activities. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.